Time to Fly Foundation, a Christian organization helping abused women and their children recover from dating and domestic abuse, is looking for adult and junior volunteers to serve behind the scenes to support the growing work of Time to Fly Foundation. Visit timetofly.org to find out more and register online for the next volunteer orientation session. That's timetofly.org. Call 877-570-9488.
Time to Fly Foundation, a Christian grassroots 501c3 nonprofit, is dedicated to helping abused women and children regain their God-given worth, break the generational cycle of dating and domestic abuse, and strengthen the family. It's free of charge to participants. Time to Fly Foundation is looking for corporate matching gifts, private donations, and grants to support their ongoing work. To make tax-free donations today, call 877-570-9488.